Our journey started at Oregon State University while we were PhD students in nanotechnology. And it's part of our job to do research and publish in form of scientific journals and thesis. Writing journals and thesis is not so easy. It's very complicated, not just with the content but also with the formatting of too many micro details. And our time as researchers is not supposed to be spent on formatting but on something more important. So necessity is mother of invention, and that's where the idea of WiseDoc came, to create a world's most advanced word processing software to avoid the days of formatting time into seconds.
Since the beginning of 2019, we started to work on this humongous software. A year later, the world was struck with COVID-19 pandemic, and we wanted to steer our direction to help people who lost their job during the crisis. And our teamwork over a few weeks created one of the finest resume templates which are attractive. And WiseDoc, with great user experience, was out for serving people during the crisis.
When it comes to creating the world's most advanced word processing software, which is orders of magnitude better than the others, we needed to make sure that WiseDoc is a one-stop solution for everything. Turns out people use a whole bunch of software for bibliography writing, image referencing, image formatting, reference management system, and many more. Everything has a different software, and a combination of all this effort will make one document. At this point of technology and time, I don't think people should spend time on formatting documents for these basic necessities. So we integrated all these smart functions, fundamentally created and automated all the processes so that the days of formatting time is reduced to seconds. Nobody has to spend time on formatting any document ever again.
WiseDoc has a potential to diversify into several market sectors, and the resumes and the journals are the first one in our list.
Our mission is to empower every student and scholar across the world through an academic software ecosystem, and WiseDoc is just a beginning.